The brief partial shutdown is not expected to disrupt tax season. Internal Revenue Service employees were paid through the Inflation Reduction Act this week. During last fall's record-long shutdown, the IRS initially kept all employees working, but then furloughed more than 34,000 staffers after 1 week. That was not during tax season, but it did come as the agency was racing to implement major tax changes.
Yeah, and it's tax time, and this year, even if nothing changed, your return might.
New provisions from President Trump's massive spending bill are now taking effect, including changes for parents, tips, and overtime workers.
ABC's Michelle Franzen breaks down what you need to know before you file.
It's tax time, and while tax season comes around every year, filing this year may look different than last year. New changes from President Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act are now taking effect. For parents, a boost in the child tax credit. It's increased from $2,000 to $2,200 for each child under 17. Tipped workers will also see a major change. The law eliminates taxes on tips, allowing eligible workers to deduct up to $25,000.
The IRS anticipates there are approximately 6 million eligible workers that can take this deduction. So we want all of them to take advantage of this new tax deduction.
Hourly workers who earned overtime may also benefit with a deduction up to $12,500. For those who sell goods or services, there are new rules for digital payments. The reporting thresholds for Venmo, Cash App, and other third-party payments has been raised.
Form 1099-K has been increased for payments made by third parties from the $600 back to the $20,000 and from no minimum number of transactions to more than 200 transactions.
Bought a new car in 2025? The law adds a $10,000 deduction of interest paid on eligible auto loans. Crypto traders also face a change. Digital asset transactions are now reported on a form called 1099-DA. All gains and losses must still be reported whether you receive the form or not. And a significant benefit for seniors.
Anyone over 65 filing a tax return gets an extra $6,000 deduction on top of their standard deduction or itemized deduction, just for being 65 or older.
And one last tip. Before you file, do your research. Michelle Franzen, ABC News, New York.